Hello everyone, you are watching my YouTube channel Chemistry by Saad Anwar, and today we are going to discuss one of the challenging past paper question. You guys can see the question is 6.6. Usually these questions are a little bit more challenging comparatively. So chromium Cr plus 3 can act as an oxidizing agent and as a reducing agent. Use data from the above table 3. This is table 3. We have to write one equation for a reaction where chromium Cr3 plus act as an oxidizing agent. And we have to write an equation for a chromium where Cr plus 3 act as a reducing agent. So first of all, we need to recall what exactly oxidizing agent is. Oxidizing agent that oxidizes others, itself itself reduced. Oxidizing agent that oxidizes others, itself reduced. Reduced means reduction. Reduction means oxidation number will decrease. Oxidation number will decrease. So this is the chromium. Now its electrode potential value is given here. I have to compare other two equation. Let's see how I can compare. Guys, here I'm going to share a few tricks with you. Like one trick is no problem. What no problem is so interesting. No means negative value oxidize. So negative oxidizes PR. P represent positive positive reduced. So it's very simple. If you have a one negative value and one positive value, you can quickly understand the negative one oxidized, positive one reduced. But guys, if both are positive, like you have a both values, both are positive, then the situation will be like this. One will be bigger positive, bigger, one will be a bigger number, big number, the other is a small number, the smaller number. So bigger positive, smaller positive. Guys, if the situation is like that, you have two number, one is a bigger, one is a smaller, bigger positive, smaller positive, then you cannot say no problem. Then there is a big problem. Then you cannot say no problem. Then there is a big problem. B, B represent bigger, P represent positive, R represent reduced. So you can say the bigger positive value reduced, bigger positive value reduced, smaller positive value oxidizes. These are the tricks, guys. You need to choose these tricks that gonna really help you to understand and to solve such easy question for exam point of view, because these are 2 marks question and you do not need to spend a lot of time. So you need to use few tricks here. Bigger positive reduced. But guys, if both values are negative, like you have a both negative values, then the same rule, bigger will be reduced. Bigger will be reduced. So bigger, like the big number will be reduced. So guys, if I compare these two, I'm going to erase something. So when I compare these two, minus 0.41, this is bigger. So it means it should reduce. Minus 2.38, this is smaller. So it should oxidizes. And yes, this is the oxidizing agent. Oxidizes others, itself reduced. If I choose these two values, this is a this is a smaller than, minus 0.41. This is a smaller. So smaller should be oxidizes, while this one is bigger. Bigger should be reduced. So, and you know, oxidizing agent is the one that oxidize others. So here chromium cannot act as an oxidizing agent. So I will not choose these two. So smaller oxidize, bigger reduced. So it means I have to choose these two values. But here each and every data is given to us according to reduction potential. So this one is oxidized. I need to flip this equation. That magnesium product will turn into reactor. So we're gonna flip this equation. So I flip this equation, and the other equation is this. I have to keep this equation as such. Now add these two equation. First I gonna multiply this equation with 2. Then I will add this equation, this and this. So when I add this equation, this 2 electron will be cancelled out by these 2 electron. The leftover species is magnesium plus 2 Cr3 plus magnesium ion and Cr2 Cr2 plus. So this is where chromium is acting as an oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent that oxidizes others. So you see magnesium is being oxidized. Oxidizing agent itself reduced. You see chromium oxidation number decrease. So chromium is being reduced. Okay, guys, quickly write down this. Do share this with your note with your friend. This is a bit challenging question. So if you want me to teach you in one-on-one session, if you want to enjoy my one-on-one tutoring, personalized, customized sessions, feel free to contact. I offer one-on-one tutoring session as well. Now let's jump for the other those equations where chromium is acting as a reducing agent. So guys, you see reducing agent is the one that reduces others. Reduced others itself itself oxidized. So you see now I have to choose, I'm gonna choose these two values. One is a bigger positive, one is a smaller positive. So bigger positive is the one that reduced. Smaller positive is the one that oxidize, big problem, big problem. This is technique. Oxidize means loss of electron. So here electron is being added. So you need to flip this equation. Just flip this equation to Cr3 plus 7 water, Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 14 hydrogen plus 6 electron. The other equation is this one. So I'm gonna put this equation here, 2, not 2, and do not put 2. This is HOI plus hydrogen plus electron, 1 by 2, I2 plus water. So I have to add these two equations, but first of all, I need to multiply pink one with a 6 so that electron can be balanced. 6, 6. So this is 6 by 2. So this will be 3 and this is 6. Now I'm gonna add these two equation. So when I add this 6 electron will be cancelled out by this 6 electron. There is 6 hydrogen, there is 14 hydrogen. So the guys leftover will be leftover will be 8 hydrogen at my product side. There will be 7 water molecule, there will be 6 water molecules. So at reactant side, the leftover will be 1 water molecule. While I have to put this 2 Cr3 plus SH, 6 HOI Cr2O7 minus 2 at reactant side SH, and plus 3 iodine. So guys, this is the equation A where chromium is acting as a reducing agent. You guys can see here chromium reducing agent means that reduce others. Itself oxidize. Oxidize means increase in oxidation number. And you can see this chromium is plus 3, here chromium is plus 6. So guys, this is how I solve this question. If you want to enjoy my one-on-one tutoring session, feel free to contact. Thank you so much for watching. Do share this video clip with your classmates, with your friends. Have a nice day. Enjoy.